In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy vouchers with the Capitec app. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you need to do is actually open up the Capitec app, and you just want to sign into your account. And once you are signed into your account, you'll be on the home page and it should look similar to what you're seeing on screen now. From here, we want to go down to the bottom where there's these 5 different options, and the one in the middle for you should say transact. So we're going to go ahead and click that transact button, and that will then take us to this page where we have a whole bunch of different options related to transactions. Now, since we're trying to buy vouchers within the app, we want to look for this option which says buy vouchers, and we can simply just select that option. From there, you'll be able to see a list of vouchers that you can buy right now, and you'll also be able to filter them down. So if you only wanted to see restaurants, for example, you could click on restaurants and it will then show you all of the vouchers you can buy for restaurants. However, if you're not fussed about what you're buying, you can click on all and you can go through the entire list and find one you like. Now, once you have actually found one you like and you've bought it, you'll see a screen like this on the right hand side where it says that you have successfully bought a certain voucher. It tells you how much the voucher amount is worth, and it also tells you when it expires. From there, you can also share your voucher code as well. So if you're buying this as a gift for some family member or one of your friends, then that can be a really good way to share it with them. But other than that, as soon as you have found this section where you can buy the vouchers and you've successfully chosen one, then you will have bought vouchers with the Capitec app. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.